Hi guys, my name is Harvansh and thank you for watching the other videos about SSCM tutorial. So today we are going to discuss about how you can capture the image to deploy the operating system. So let me start this video without wasting time. So I am in the SSCM console and here is under the software library, here is a task sequence. Under the task sequence, let's see the how many options are there. So first you click on that create task sequence media, and then here we are having the four options. So standalone media, bootable media, capture media, prestige media. So standalone media is like something where we are including all the things in the sense is boot image, your OS, and your other things like the package if you want or anything. So this media can used without the network access. So when we are creating a standard standard alone media, so that will contain all the things boot image, OS, and the packages, and it not require the network access. Like this will not going to deploy through the SSCM. So SSEM configuration manager infrastructure will not involve after creating this. So we are not going to use SSEM to push the OS. Now let's see the bootable media. So bootable media is created when we are deploying the operating system through the SSEM infrastructure. SSEM infrastructure in the sense is when we are created a bootable image, then it will push it to the SSEM, and from there you can start capturing the image. So SSCM, where the SSCM infra is already involved, I mean to say when you have a operating system and that is having the SSCM client, it reporting to SSCM. So how it will work, that image will push it to SSCM and it will be visible in your software center. From there you can start capturing your OS. So that is the one way. Another way is the capture media that we are going to use it now. So capture media is where we are capturing the OS from a reference computer. Like we installed one operating system, and that should not be part of the domain, and SSCM client should not be installed. So all the things whatever you want, like you want to patch that machine before capturing the image, you can install all the required patches, or if you want to install any of the application which will be the common in your entire infra, that you can install it before capturing it. So once you capture the media, and that will be copy to or mount to that particular windows or run it, and it will start capturing the windows. Now the prestige media. So prestige media, it will be like a when you are having your boot image and your windows file in a one of your pen drive or hard disk, you can use it to create that. So in this scenario, your operating system image, WIM file and boot image will be include that. So that will be not push it to your SSCM. So that will be in a new hard disk and include your operating system image. So these are the four options which is used for operating system deployment. So we are going to use it capture media. So now selected the capture media, next, and here is a options like where you want to keep this media file. So let me go to one of the path where I can keep it. So just I'm going to E drive. So here is the OSD folder, and I can browse here. OST, or better I can use the network path. That will be good. and this is will be capture. So I'm going to use this to capture my OS. So all the things will be like a same. Now next, select the boot image. So I'm going to select the 64-bit, select the distribution point. So this is the my distribution point, and now next and next, and just click yes. So now my the boot image will be creating. Okay, so it's done now. Now, oh shit, sorry, it is starting. It will take just a couple of seconds and it will complete. Okay, so now you can see in it here. This process is completed, and I can able to capture the my media. So now you can close this, and here in the my path, it's showing like it. This is the what my the capture media is here. Okay guys, so and other things I can check it out here. If the logs is created, then I can show you. Okay, okay, I think that logs is not created here, but that's fine. Everything was goes good, and my the capture media is ready. So guys, thank you for watching this video. So I'm going to create next video how you can capture your operating system. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you soon in my next video.